Hello guys, let's do some market update on futures, and we're gonna start with ES0314. So after hitting the last, that's the tops of the tops of all since ever, we finally see a very nice drop with actually lots of commitment, and we finally found that sellers are ready to sell. What ought happen? It's buyers get back a little bit, but one very important thing to watch is that buyers wasn't that committed. As you can see, the level of volume of buyers versus the sellers from last weeks are very different. So right now we hitting the some resistance at this level. As you can see, this level, it's a consolidation level. If we go in, if buyers get in, they will have some chance actually to retest and go maybe uh, with create a higher price, but sellers didn't let them. We create a price failure, so unsupported price, and actually at the same time very nice possibility of seeing market to actually retest last bottoms at this level right here about. There's also some resistance we may see. I don't think it will happen because it will depend if we're gonna stay go only at halfway. If you go only at halfway, be kind of careful because we can retest 1860, 1818 if we or we also can go retest the last bottoms. Personally, what I'm watching, it's very simple. There's always maybe this. It's to see the sellers bring the ES price to the 200 moving average. And one of the reason what I'm looking at, this, let me give a second. There's a higher high, lower low, and higher low. And I'm looking to create a new, oops, copy, paste. I'm looking to create a new lower low just exactly here. One of the reason also why I'm looking to this, because it shows me a very nice pattern for bearish direction trend canal, call it like you want it. Okay, do you see what I mean? So that's the pattern I'm looking to see happening over and over. I hope so, because it's the best time to take some profits down, maybe ups if you're a little bit more risky, and down again. Because when we hit the 200 moving average, it's gonna bounce up. Uh, Normally it does. So never know what the future is gonna tell us. So that's basically for ES. That's what I'm looking. For CL, another one that I really like what I see. Okay, as you can see, we have a head and shoulders here, and better than that. So I'm gonna list head, shoulders, head, another one. So this was the second shoulders. What did happen? I mean, kind of weird because they have I mean, one here, one here. Look like he want to create a two shoulders here too. I don't know. So when when the second shoulders happen, we actually retest it, then pass. That's usually what happened. we go back to the last highs, but we hit the 200 moving average again, and we kind of have hard time to pass it. We did pass, but it's more look like it's a price head fake than anything else. Very strong price failure, and I'm looking to see this market retest at 86, 87, and then go to the 83, 83.50. I mean, and then double bottom. So there's also like can be a very nice pattern. Go and just like go from 92 to 100. That's going to be amazing because it's a. I mean, there's lots of money to take from that just from double and bottom, double and bottom. Another thing why I see this actually like shorting tomorrow, it's from the move. You won't really able to see that well on daily chart. However, I can still show you. So we have a nice up move up. This move up, that's this candlestick up. Um, Very volatile, but the volumes I don't see any, and we didn't pass it. By not passing it, and buyers like start to kind of have some price failure and everything, some indecision that start to create it. I mean, I'm actually looking to, and if sellers coming, they will gonna come strong, and they will definitely pass under this trend line. So if it this happen, what I'm looking for is going to first here, first resistance, and then probably second and third target gonna be there. So 94, sorry, 97, or let's say 94, and 92 area. $4 also amazing. I actually saw it, and I saw it, I think a little bit before. I wasn't sure if it's gonna happen, but we created a hand on shoulders also. It's my favorite pattern. Happened very often those days. So as you can see, shoulders, shoulders, and head. Was and look like buyers. I don't really like these price fillers. I don't think it's that important. Very, I mean, kind. I don't know. Price fillers from both sides. Yeah. So I'm looking to retest this last highs, and there's another. I mean, first reversal possibility. Second, 200 moving average. For the bottom size, I don't really see this coming down, but you never know. If it does, if we break this price at 80.49, I would say. The next gonna be about like 80.29. I don't really looking for a short trade for this one. I'm looking for a long one. There's more probability for this one. I don't focus on the lower one. Gold was very surprising by creating something that it doesn't show here. Never mind. So basically, first target, I think I got it. I don't remember my second was there, or a little bit high. I think it was 315. I need to go back, but as you can see with gold, create a nice pattern. That's when we break out I think it's when I call for a long one, and first target hit it. uh, Going on some consolidation. Finally, we break it out, break this through. What I'm looking right now, it's we have some momentum here definitely. We didn't really like break uptrend line, and we kind of miss it to hit it. And what I'm looking for, it's I don't know when it's gonna happen, but to see the gold price go back to 1275, and once we're gonna hit this, I'm looking for a reversal point. Sorry, I need to take this one. Yeah, so that's for gold. Silver, I'm gonna go very quickly too. Silver, not much happening, staying in the same pattern. Look like it's going to the 21. If it get lucky, or so back to 1912. I don't watch really silver. It's not interesting for me. Here TF TF moving basically like our friend S&P 500. Yes, looking same pattern, going down to the 200, miss it, going to retest the last double top. ZB 30 years bond. Another thing I like, very, I don't remember. I think I said if it go under, going to the short one. So definitely, I'm kind of looking for. I don't really see much on this one. We're kind of creating a tops here, double bottoms. So by creating the bottoms, getting the last buyers who get in the market after too quickly that they shouldn't take out the profits due to staying in 200 moving average. So actually, like, I'm changing my mind by saying that we may see some anger, buyers get back in the market in next days too, and retest 134.30. That's what I would like to watch. You see. Yeah, so that's basically what I see for. I'm not gonna go in currencies. That's what I see for the futures market, and we'll see if this is gonna like happen. Usually it does. When it doesn't, not big deal. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.